You're editing a video, scrolling through endless music libraries, and trying to find the perfect soundtrack. But between Artlist and Epidemic Sound, you're not sure which platform gives better value in 2026. And now both companies are pushing AI tools for smarter recommendations, AI-assisted search, and auto-matching music to your footage. Sounds amazing, but you stop and wonder, which platform actually does it better? Which one is more accurate, faster, and worth your money? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test creative tools, AI platforms, and production memberships to reveal what's truly worth your subscription in 2026. Today we compare Artlist versus Epidemic Sound, specifically their AI features, to see which platform comes out on top for creators. I spent 4 weeks using both platforms on real projects, YouTube videos, travel edits, product reviews, and voiceovers. I tested AI search tools, AI recommendations, beat detection, sound effects, and auto-matching features. I also compared licensing terms, library size, workflow speed, and user complaints. After dozens of downloads, side-by-side comparisons, and testing the new AI systems, I now have a clear view of which platform delivers smarter music discovery and which one still needs improvement. Both companies make big claims about their AI tools. Artlist promises smarter music discovery, AI-driven mood detection, recommendations based on editing style, and faster searching with adaptive filters. Epidemic promises highly accurate AI search, track personalization through stems, auto-detection of video tone and pacing, and one of the largest libraries for creators. But are these claims true? Does AI actually make music searching easier? And which platform performs better in real editing workflows? Step 1. AI search accuracy. Artlist's AI search is fast and clean. It identifies mood and genre well, but sometimes delivers tracks that feel slightly off-tempo or mismatched. Epidemic's AI search is more precise, especially when searching by emotion or pacing. For raw accuracy, Epidemic wins. Step 2. AI recommendations. Artlist's AI recommendations learn quickly from your downloads and editing style. After a few days, the suggestions started matching my preferred genres very closely. Epidemic's recommendations are good, but lean heavily on trending tracks rather than personalized taste. Artlist wins here. The AI feels more adaptive. Step 3. Library size and variety. Artlist offers cinematic, storytelling, and emotional tracks, ideal for filmmakers. Epidemic has more variety, especially for vloggers, gamers, and commercial content. If you need constant variety for fast content, Epidemic is stronger. For polished cinematic vibes, Artlist stands out. Step 4. AI tools for video matching. Artlist's mood-to-video match is decent. It analyzes visuals and gives general suggestions. Epidemic's version is more advanced. It detects pacing, intensity, and segment changes more accurately. For editors who want automated music pairing, Epidemic takes the lead. Step 5. SFX and AI sorting. Artlist's SFX library is high quality but smaller. Epidemic's SFX, combined with its AI sorting filters, is faster to navigate, especially for transitions, UI sounds, and atmospheric ambiance. The workflow feels smoother on Epidemic. Step 6. Licensing and usage simplicity. Artlist has the simplest licensing. One license covers everything, even after your subscription ends. Epidemic requires an active subscription if your content is monetized. For long-term freedom and no licensing headaches, Artlist wins. Step 7. Speed and workflow efficiency. In terms of workflow, Epidemic's AI feels a bit faster and more precise for quick searches. Artlist is clean and reliable, but sometimes requires extra manual filtering. For workload speed, Epidemic slightly edges ahead. Step 8. Reliability and user experience. I found Artlist more consistent overall, fewer glitches, better organization, and smoother UI. Epidemic occasionally had slow loading or delayed AI suggestions. User reports online confirm this difference. So, Which AI-powered platform is better in 2026? A. Artlist. Best for cinematic and emotional storytelling, simple, lifetime-safe licensing, strong adaptive AI recommendations, filmmakers and high-production creators, less time spent worrying about copyright. Artlist's weaknesses: AI search slightly less precise, smaller SFX variety, slightly slower workflow for fast editors. B. Epidemic sound. Best for high-volume creators like YouTube, TikTok, and vlogs, fast and highly accurate AI search, larger and more modern-sounding library, advanced video matching AI, big variety of SFX and stems. Epidemic's weaknesses: licensing is more restrictive, must keep subscription active for monetized content, less personalized recommendations. Artlist is your best pick if you want cinematic music, simple licensing, and smarter personalized recommendations. Epidemic Sound is the winner for rapid production, modern content, AI search precision, and variety. Both platforms are strong. The better one depends entirely on the style of content you create. If this AI comparison helped you choose between Artlist and Epidemic Sound for 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Let me know in the comments, which platform do you prefer for editing, and which AI tools should I compare next? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping creators choose smarter tools every year.